Backflip down. India. Oh, I almost cracked my head. Let it go. Stop screaming. Boom. Oh, yawn. I did a backflip. That was actually not a back.
Sorry, girl, what? What are you saying, girl?
You saw that? Why do I keep on falling?
Kasi ng lampo.
I cannot stand. Is it because I'm too fat? No, I can stand up now.
Wine.
Timor!
Laro mo dito sa...
Wait, I can jump higher. That's not high. Backflip ako niya.
Dos.
I almost did it. Ow. My room turned dark. Where are you going, brother?
Hindi mo na siya magbigay dyan.